Hi, everybody. I'm Ray, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we are going to do a demonstration of how to make your own cashew butter. Now, I will tell you, I am not a fan of the taste of cashew butter. So you may be asking, why on earth would she make cashew butter? I use this in quite a few different recipes. I use them in different dessert recipes, as well as salad dressing recipes. Cashews are full of polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. So it's not a saturated fat. These are the better fats for you. So I was needing it for a recipe and I was too lazy to go to the grocery store. And instead, I had cashews in my freezer. And I thought, you know what? I'm just going to make some cashew butter. So I thought I would come on and I would show you guys how to do it. And I make a drizzle out of this also for my Oh My Gourd pumpkin cookies. And it's a really nice drizzle with a few other ingredients. So this is just the cashew butter demonstration. So what I have done, just so you know, is I boiled some water on the stove and I put 2 cups of cashews in this pot and I've let it sit for about 20 minutes. So I'm going to drain the water and we're going to throw the cashews in, add a little salt, and that's it. We're going to blend it up for about 10 minutes in the food processor. So we'll have to go for 10 minutes. I'm not going to do all of that on camera, but we'll come back when it's done and I'll show you how easy. I got the water all drained off. And so now we're just going to throw these in the food processor. And I'm going to do 2 pinches of my Redmond's mineral sea salt. There's a lot of recipes out there where you can add, sugar, date syrup, um, all kinds of things. I like it just with the cashews and the sea salt because then I can use it in a variety of different recipes and it's just the cashew butter. So I'm going to turn on the Cuisinart. I've got the S blade in here, my favorite kitchen tool, and we'll pulse it a few times and then I'm going to turn it on and I'm just going to let it run. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Throughout the process, I find that there is a need to kind of, you know, get the nuts off the side of the bowl. And so I stopped the food processor a couple times while it's in the process of blending to do just that. So now that we've got it scraped down, we'll turn it back on. Okay, everybody, I think we're done. Oh, yeah. This has made a beautiful, beautiful butter. Let me make some room here. Show you this. So look at how beautiful that is. It went for probably 7 to 10 minutes, I would say. I didn't time it. I probably should have. Let me give a shout out to Virginia. I'm using the spatula you gave me. Look at this beautiful creamy butter. Oh my goodness. Yes. So, like I said, I don't really love the taste of cashew butter, but we'll taste it. I am an almond butter girl, so I like to eat almond butter. But I use this cashew butter because its flavor is rather mild and it's really good in, I make a tomato asparagus salad with a cashew Dijon mustard. And so I use this cashew butter in that recipe. And then I also use this cashew butter in my Oh My Gourd cookie recipe. And it's delicious in both of those recipes. A lot of people put it straight on toast. A lot of people love cashew butter. It's just not my favorite, but I use it for other things. And so that's why we made it today. And because I've got those other recipes on my website, I wanted you to know how to make the cashew butter should you choose to make it yourself. So that is how you do it. And it's so easy. Let's have a little taste. Tastes like cashews. It's really good. Cashews have a lot of vitamin E and selenium. And a lot of people don't eat cashews because they think cashews get moldy, and they can get moldy. But as long as you're looking at your cashews and they don't smell bad and they don't have any weird discoloration, they're totally fine. And yeah, so this will be good in those 2 recipes. If you need cashew butter and you're lazy like me and you don't want to go to the store, This is how you make it. Bon appetit, everybody.